Okay, we're doing a tour video now. Doing a tour video of both appliances, Hotpoint and Candy. These are the programs on these. It's good variety. There's little like dial type thing. There's the display panel. It's got 11 minutes left in that. But I do like it does say what cycle it is as well. Not many appliances do that. You can see it's on the timer with it being on cottons. We're doing a cool tumble shortly. Over to the Candy now. We've got a 7 kilogram one. I don't think I'll be having this one much longer though. And then a Becca wash is next, and I can't wait to get one of those. Show you them in motion. There's the dryer. I've got a tumble dry ball as well in here, so it's a bit noisy. By the way, this is the 9 kilogram dryer.